There's fish rising everywhere.
Give it to me if you want me to throw it again. Thank you. Holy!
Anything for photography. Young ladies figured they'd go swimming in the lake. The ice just came off a couple of weeks ago, but I'm gonna pick some dandelion heads. We're set. Oh, this is gonna be good. First injury of the trip.
Please say they don't have princesses on them.
Hi, I'm Greg Ovens, and this is Ovens Rocky Mountain Bushcraft. So I'm here with a couple of young lovely ladies, and they wanted to come on an adventure, maybe catch some fish. This is Katrina and Shafira, and I think they want to catch fish. They were both telling me that they hadn't caught a fish since they were about 6 years old. So I said, well, I know a place, and we're going to go back to that lake I was at last week and see if we can catch them a nice one. I've caught enough fish this year, so I'd rather see them catch one and show them a few simple, basic bushcraft skills, perhaps, and just have a good time sitting around the fire. So, I'm going to get some firewood, but appreciate you guys coming along for the trip.
Yeah, thank you.
And Finn, don't forget Finn. Can't forget Finn's. Sarah's going to collect some grass. We're going to see if she can get a ferro rod fire going. You've never tried it, eh? Okay.
Oh, just seen it.
Yeah. It's not too hard. The grass is dry. It's actually, I think you're going to be surprised. It's not that hard at all.
How much grass do I need?
You got enough. And then we just get some small branches.
Cool.
And grab the ferro rod.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you already have it. There you go. Okay, I'm nervous now.
I'm sure you'll get it.
Okay.
Keep the ferro rod tight on the board so it's not moving. And not with the black area, with the silver here.
Oh.
Well, the black hasn't been scraped off yet, so it won't spark. Yeah, just keep going hard. There you go. It's going.
Oh, wow. Holy.
It's going. See?
That was really easy.
Yes. Very simple. Very. Yeah, well, okay, you got the first fire. You're next time. Next fire.
That was good. That was the quickest
I feel like
start I've ever seen in my life.
That was pretty quick, yeah.
That was really quick.
Just so happy to have other company other than me.
there are so many times where like he like almost steps in the fire and I'm just like, ah.
Oh, he's gone through the fire lots.
Yeah.
No doubt. But this is an okay spot, right?
Oh, yeah, that's a great spot. Oh, nope.
Yeah, we don't want to be at the campground.
I don't
Not into that.
For sure.
This, what's wrong with this? We're in the open.
Yeah.
Perfectly fine.
Yeah.
And there's enough wood around, I'm sure. You can see that tree.
Yeah.
Is that enough wood?
Well, depends how big we want it, but I'll go cut that tree. That's firewood, Fins. Sarah's off running her drone a bit. I can hear it. You can probably hear it. I'm recording.
Oh.
All right.
Oh wait, don't throw it.
Don't throw it.
He will think that I'll throw it forever.
Yeah.
And he will never leave you alone.
Never leave me alone.
Yeah, like he follows me around. Because he knows that I don't
If anybody gives in to him, nope, he won't. But you know, he's used to just me. He's not used to company, so he acts a little differently when there's people around because he, just likes the attention.
pushing the boundaries.
He'll push the limit, but he does calm down after a while. No, you can't even laugh at him. No.
You can't even engage with him.
I love potatoes.
I love potatoes too, and I do really like the sweet potatoes, but these baby potatoes are pretty darn good.
I'm a big eater, so I could eat the whole thing all at once.
Oh, yeah,
I could sure pack it away.
right. Well,
But like when I'm sharing it.
we can cook more. Well, hey, if we get a nice big fish, you like fish, don't you?
Yeah.
Oh, hey, well, you saw
Well, I don't eat fish from the sea. I try not to.
the ocean.
Yeah, I don't like the flavor, but wild caught fish.
Okay, so you don't like crab,
Oh, I like
lobster.
crab. I like
Oh,
lobster.
okay, well there you go.
Shellfish.
Okay. Yeah, it's okay, fine. I guess I just don't really eat salmon that much.
Okay. Well, that smoked fish I did, like from this lake we're going to, man, that turned out good.
Yeah.
Yeah, you'll
I
have to
wanna
watch
try
that
that.
video.
I will definitely.
Because what I did was you take brown sugar,
Mm-hmm.
salt, like rock salt, and that's your brine. No water, nothing.
Oh, amazing.
Leave it overnight in the fridge like that,
Yeah.
like after they're filleted.
Yeah.
Put it in the smoker for 12 hours on 110. And and then I glazed it with honey before I put it in the smoker.
Oh,
And you would love that.
Right?
And it was soft, not too dried,
Yeah.
but not it was just perfect.
amazing. That sounds
Yeah,
amazing.
it's good.
Oh,
I could eat that.
Good catch.
Nice.
oh my gosh, is that ever hot? I'm a Sagittarius, so we love fire.
Well, do you know anybody that doesn't like fire?
True.
Yeah.
When I
I've
was-
never met that person.
When I was a kid, we heated our house with a wood stove.
Mhm.
Us too.
The birds.
Looks kind of cool from this angle because it looks like you are the flame, but your head is just in the fire.
Wow.
Oh, funny. Ending my night most nights.
Yeah. I assume that's how we're gonna be living.
Summer.
Yeah.
So, I'm gonna go fishing here, see if we can catch these ladies fish. They said 6 years old since they've been fishing. And I walked right into the corner of my tailgate with my head down, not paying attention, and got a pretty bad gash right above my eyebrow. Probably should have had stitches, but we're not gonna go and get stitches. I mean, hopefully it'll be okay. I'll find some plantain and that'll heal it within a couple of days. Your head always bleeds worse than you think. It's not as, or it looks worse. But
I think those were in this
That is.
regular. Oh.
You're not gonna give a princess one, right?
No, I'm looking
Yeah.
very hard for non-princess ones.
I actually have a first aid kit somewhere. But man, how did I not see that? I wasn't paying attention. I was looking at the camera and I walked right into the corner of the stupid thing. I just turned my head and walked this way right into it.
Jeez.
Oh well, that'll be a scar.
You'll remember us forever. Said you'll remember us forever.
Yeah.
I think one of these.
You like us to fly it?
Hmm?
Do you like us to apply it?
to get a close up actually.
First injury of the trip. Actually, I've never walked into my own gate like that, right into the corner.
Oh, I don't know if it's big enough.
That's pretty tiny.
Okay, I'm gonna do 2. I'm gonna do 1.
Please say they don't have princesses on them.
No, they don't.
Good. Those are my only 2 without.
Here you go.
I just wanted the attention. Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
All right, thanks. So, anyways, we're going to get on the road here quick and see about some fishing. So I'm just going to charge the marine battery up, put the cables on. And I guess just in the time that Finn and I were gone on that last video, the 2-day overnight, or the 2-day survival thing with the 2 items, something made a nest on top of my motor here. I'll show you. Probably a mouse. So something collected a bunch of old man's beard and some, I don't know, looks like insulation or paper and whatever, just junk. But could be a pack rat too. Like, you know, that almost looks like a pack rat, not a mouse.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Yeah, I love their mugs, and I was like, hey, can you make us some special ones for Earth Warrior? I love pottery, but I don't make pottery. I appreciate it.
Yeah.
I love fishing. You
Yeah.
wanna go fishing?
Yes, I love
Well,
fishing too.
we're obviously brand new to it,
Yeah.
but I think it's going to be really cool to be taught by an expert, and I'm hoping that we get 1 or 2 fish, just between the 2 of us.
I hate not getting any because it's called being skunked, and I don't like that.
We're not gonna get.
I don't think we'll get skunked. No, we'll catch some.
We're gonna catch.
We'll catch
We're gonna
fish.
catch
We'll get
fish.
going here soon. Batteries are charged pretty good. I just got to take my hammock off. Don't drive away with it attached to the truck.
Yeah, that'd be good.
Yeah. I know. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, no, I come here all the time too. I guess we gotta go over Super 8. Covered. Fishing.
Yeah, that's true.
We didn't catch any fish, but we tried. Hey, what can you do?
No, we did not. We worked hard though. We
Yeah.
did.
Oh well, still a nice spot not to catch fish.
Yeah.
For me.
Oh yeah. You're strong.
So,
It's a good workout. Yeah, right?
I love it.
It's like do lunges.
Squats. I'm more of a squat.
How would you walk and you squat at the same time?
You can't.
Yeah.
got Katrina. She's carrying the battery for the boat there, but we're just taking turns.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, what are you doing?
Well, I thought that the lake was going to be not as deep, and it ended up getting to my thighs, and then I got wet, so I was just like, well, might as well commit.
No, you're committed.
I want to swim now, though. Like, actually.
You do.
Can I do it? You want me to take your jacket?
Maybe. Oh, Finn! It'd probably be a good idea if I took these off. You want to come swimming with me?
You guys are going swimming this time of year.
Yep. Yep.
Ooh, I don't know. The way the sun's hitting your face and hair and stuff looks great.
Oh!
There we go.
There's
Yeah,
that
that's golden.
orange tinge.
Yep. That's pretty orange.
Yeah,
Beautiful. Maybe I should walk out. You think I should? While you have the camera?
Can we
there?
close?
sure.
Wow.
Yeah, but you got dry clothes, I hope.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
I have so many layers. Wow.
Anything for photography.
Mhm. You really just get into nature.
Literally.
Yeah. Wow. Ooh.
Now these young ladies figured they'd go swimming in the lake. The ice just came off a couple of weeks ago, but I don't know. I guess if you're young, you can do it.
You get used to it. The seaweed? Oh. No, the water.
It's the seaweed that bothers me the most,
Oh.
to be honest. I've always had this weird fear of it. Come in.
Oh, I should let you use my boots.
I can't touch the seaweed anymore. I can't touch it. Oh, okay, I'm on some rocks. Oh.
I'm 100% positive.
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
Yeah.
We'll stay shallow.
It's just seaweed. It's just seaweed. Thinking in.
Probably can't cook till that dies down a bit.
Yep.
It's gonna be awful hot there.
Yeah. Oh well.
Warm up.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Oh yeah.
All in all, a good day.
Yeah.
I know there's no fish. So just using the headlights to do a bit of cooking here, but we're cooking some veggie burgers. I have not tried veggie burgers. And veggie sausages as well. So, we didn't get any fish. It's all veggies. That's the way you should go. So, first time I've ever tried a veggie burger. Let's see if it's any good. Oh! Oh! I'm just kidding. It's not bad.
Yeah, it doesn't taste like a burger.
You could actually eat one of these if you were on a survival trip and you hadn't eaten for a week. It would suffice. No, it's not bad. Morning. It's a beautiful day. We're going to try to get an earlier start on the lake this morning and see if we can get these ladies a fish or two. That's the goal today.
Oh.
Huh? It's enough for one, that's all. I mean, I like it strong. There's no point making weak coffee.
Oh, I agree. You can have coffee. Good.
Exactly.
I like cold coffee.
You like cold coffee?
You like cold
Yeah.
Why would that be?
coffee? I don't know. I like the flavor. I don't like hot things, I guess.
Oh.
Yeah.
I like my food when it's warm, my coffee when it's cold.
Huh. I'm getting some in there.
Yeah.
Yours is just
That's just about it anyway,
There we go.
without getting a bunch of ground. Well, it's a shot of coffee, right?
Oh yeah.
It's better than nothing. Katrina and I were trolling around, trying various flies. Lots of different flies, no bites. There's a couple other fishermen and same thing. There was a big bug hatch yesterday, and I think they just are so full. They don't even seem to be jumping like they were yesterday, so we're just not having success. Not much we can do.
Oh, so we got to see an eagle swoop down and take a big fish from a loon, and then we got to watch it eat the fish on top of a tree, and that was really cool.
Very close range.
Yeah, that was really neat.
Yeah, that was the highlight. So,
yes.
Right on. So, I might try in a bit with some other techniques, but we're just not having success. So, it's kind of disappointing because they came a long ways and I'd like to catch one for them, but if they're not biting, they're not biting. So I decided to run into town and get some food. We were kind of low on food. We were kind of thinking we'd get fish. It hasn't happened. But I'm going to cook these ladies up a nice dinner, my famous chicken parmigiana, and show them how to make it. I told them about it and they really wanted to try it. I said, man, grouse is even better, but you know, we just gotta have a nice dinner before they go home. Since we're not catching fish, I think they're gonna love this.
But yeah, pancakes.
Yeah.
I'm excited.
Yeah. Well, really what you do is you pick just the flour head and you batter those and then you fry them in oil.
Yeah.
So you gotta try that, and then that'll be like snacks before the dinner. Yeah, because you haven't tried that.
No,
you
never.
Said.
Never.
And yet, Katrina here, she makes dandelion root coffee, right?
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
You grow lamb quarters.
Mm-hmm.
And I love lamb quarters.
Yeah.
You know, that's my favorite wild plant, lamb quarters.
Yeah.
It is.
Oh yeah.
My favorite edible plant for spinach type plant, lamb quarters. Got a whole bunch of that too. This is going to be good. That's my favorite. Got a nice batch of this. Haven't tried lamb quarters? Get on it. That is good. I can't think of any wild plant that I like more than lamb's quarters. Like for taste, for a green. Man, great. So,
You grow it. It's not like it's a weed
grow
for
it
us.
Yeah, it's a weed.
But we still eat it. We
Yeah.
pick it and eat it. But
Yeah.
you actually have a spot in your
you make a garden.
I have a spot in my garden for it.
Buddy of mine, him and I planted a whole bunch of lamb quarters. Now it's taken his yard over. But man, there's not a better green in the wild.
I agree.
What
So,
kind of vitamins does it have in nutrition?
it's full of all the vitamin B's.
Oh.
It's got vitamin C. I'm not a chemist, but I haven't really checked. Vitamin A, I believe, too. So it's very nutritious.
Holy.
It's very nutritious.
Very good. Yeah.
That's why I grow it.
I'm gonna start growing it now too.
Yeah.
After knowing that.
Yeah.
It's more nutritious than a lot of the plants that people plant in their garden, like spinach and, you know.
Lettuce has no nutrient.
Okay, well, let's go get some dandelions, though. Try that. Hey?
Yes.
Sounds good.
So we stopped here at a spot. We're going to pick some dandelion heads. And as you know, dandelion is probably the most nutritious plant in the world. That's why people like to poison it out of their lawns and gardens. But we're going to batter it up in some pancake batter and fry it up in some cooking oil. The ladies say they haven't tried it.
Nope.
So I just want to see what they think of it. I like them, and actually somebody showed me that.
Yeah.
Actually, it was Carly Fairchild from the Alone Show. Oh. And I loved them. We were at Megan's house, also from the Alone Show. And you know what? You could just make pancakes with it too.
Yeah.
Some people add blueberries. You could just add this to your pancakes.
Okay. These are good, right?
Yeah, they're perfect. I'll bet you even Finley will like them.
We let our yard full of dandelions before we mow it.
Right.
Because of the bees.
Yeah, for sure. I don't know. I don't know. Them veggie burgers were pretty good.
Oh yeah.
They did.
Yeah.
They did.
They're unique. I like them personally for quick calories.
That's probably enough.
Okay.
So we got our dandelions. We're gonna go cook them up.
Yeah. I'm excited. Here, actually.
We're set. If you haven't tried this, just make some pancake batter and batter them up. Fry them in some cooking oil or butter, whichever you prefer. You'll like them, and they're so nutritious. Yeah, I think these are brook trout. See them all surfacing. Gee.
Yeah.
It's a little far away, but those are trumpeter swans over there on the far side. And in this little pond, there's fish rising everywhere. And I think they could be brook trout because it just seems to me that they wouldn't be rainbow in here. It's always good. I'm doing this on purpose.
I think as long as it tastes good.
Oh, well, I think you will like it.
You know
And
what?
you know what? It'll be something you're going to want to do.
Yeah. I'll let you know if we do them.
Yeah.
Actually, the grouse. I really want to try grouse.
Oh,
I do.
yeah.
Never
Well,
tried 'em
Katrina's
before.
tried grouse. I mean, it's just fantastic. Like this dinner that I'm going to do is really good with chicken. But I like it even better with grouse.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter, like.
Started.
Yeah, and then we'll do the dandelions. And... Oh, she's ready to earn her gift. Oh, yeah, but that's for your ferro rod, maybe. I don't know. Oh, yeah, that's good and dry. Oh, when I was up here and started the fire when I camped on the other side of the lake,
Yeah.
that was the first fire I started with it.
Cool.
And I've only used it a couple times.
Yeah. I started the fire really quick.
Oh, I know it does.
Quicker than a lighter.
Well, I can make another one, right?
Yeah.
So like you'll have the original bow drill from the one video, and you'll have the original fire rod from the one video.
Cool.
Well, I gotta give you some gifts.
Yeah.
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 I'm happy about that.
Well, you know what? I'm glad you came. I enjoyed your company.
Oh yeah.
If you can get
That's
a
been
parting
enjoyable.
gift, and that's all I have to offer is survival stuff.
Hey, that's great.
Maybe I'll save her life one day.
Well, and I hope you use them.
Oh yeah.
I will show you the trick with the bow drill. I mean, or you could subscribe and watch my channel.
We needed that on video.
Yeah.
Or you can
It's still recording, I think. So I get a little nervous.
What's that?
I get a little nervous on
Camera?
camera.
No.
Oh well. I'm
No,
sure
just
it's like your audience is so relaxed and so accepting.
They are.
Yeah. You're really good people.
I love my subscribers. Are you subscribed? We're gonna have a little contest because I said to Katrina she can start the ferro rod fire. She can have my original ferro rod from the last video. I've only started one fire with it, but it's a gift for these ladies that came down, shared the experience. So I like to give them something. Shafir will get the original bow drill fire from my last video. So back to back, they'll get my fire starting items from the last two videos. Fire doesn't want to go.
Start
I
all the
can't.
fires now.
Yeah.
Just show up at the family barbecue.
Yeah.
I'm starting the fire today.
Well, yeah.
Just move. You know what I mean?
I want to give you guys something to remember me by.
There's a lot of really good memories already.
Yeah.
Honestly,
Good.
we were talking about that when you're gone. We're like, even if like nothing happened, we're
Like with finding fish.
yeah. Well, like if anything, like you know, we're just happy. It was like a great experience, honestly.
Good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I really wanted you to have fun, so I'm glad you did.
Mm-hmm.
The best relaxing kind of fun.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Deep.
The
relaxation.
worst would be going back to the city, maybe.
Well, I don't have to go back to the city myself. She does.
I do.
Yeah.
I live in a valley.
Yes.
It's
No,
gorgeous.
it's true. There it goes. I thought it might go.
Oh, I'm so happy to have a fire. What a cutie.
You got it. Give it to me if you want me to throw it again. Thank you. I appreciate it. Ready? Here you go. Your turn. Okay.
Oh,
Too far for him.
whoopsies. I might have made your dog a little nervous. I threw the stick.
Oh, he can't find it. Oh, he did it that way.
There you go, buddy.
Now he's going to splash you.
Oh, jeez.
Get. Get.
Drop it. You just don't know how to drop it.
No, he just doesn't clue into that one. Eh?
You gotta drop it if you want to keep playing.
Sit. Sit down. Look how skinny you look when you're wet.
Yeah, he sure eats though.
I know.
Yeah, he does. I fed him a few snacks while you're fishing.
I think it's just because he's so active.
Yeah.
He just burns it off.
Oh yeah.
Come here.
'Cause he eats way
Let
more
go.
than most
Let go.
dogs I know.
Yeah.
Let go. Let go.
Quit it. Finn,
You want it?
you have to let go.
He launched pretty good when you threw it too. That distance.
Let go. What are you doing?
Got it.
Oh, I don't want to throw it far. He doesn't like going as far, eh?
Oh no, he doesn't care.
Right there.
He just doesn't
Right
know where it goes sometimes. It's so small. If you have a bigger stick, you can throw it as far as you want.
Well, he
Well-
picked it. He picked the stick.
Well, I'll throw it as far as I can. You know?
Come here. Come here. Give me that.
Having a shower tonight. Dog shower.
Right.
That'll show up good. But you know what?
Go.
He will never get sick of this game. So,
Okay.
but I mean, it's up to you if you want to throw it. I don't care. But
Come here. No, come here. I always use my sweater. So it doesn't hurt my hands. Let go. Let go. Let go. Finn. Sit. You really, but I know you want to play though.
He doesn't understand that yet.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's funny. I know.
He's like, you throw better.
Let go. Did you see that? He put his paw on me.
I don't know if he's gonna let it go.
No, I don't think so either.
Sorry, Finn. You have made your decision.
You made your decision.
You make your bed, you lie in it.
It's a beauty.
Oh, it's a big stick. Oh, get out of that way.
Yep.
What is like the other one?
Gotta take the other one. He'll decide to go for the big one when he gets there.
Freezing.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Let go. Hey. Let go.
Here you go.
Easier go.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Okay.
go ahead.
Okay.
Yeah.
Your turn now.
Let go, Finn.
But he won't. He won't give it to you. No. Let me see if I can get it from him.
Yeah, please.
You're probably stronger than me.
Just tell him to let go.
Holy! I don't want to hurt him.
I don't think you are.
Oh yeah.
Finn, let go.
Drop it. Drop it.
Oh, there we go. Oh, you lost it again. Finn, just a little bit further. Okay. I'm actually starting to get a little tuckered from that.
Mm-hmm.
It's like literally like a workout. Spatula.
Who needs spatulas?
Great. Let me know when you're ready.
Yep. It's running. Pour it quick.
Okay.
There we go. You have a spatula, don't you? No?
I do. Look, I'm using one arm. Clean.
Perfect. One dandelion pancake coming up. It's too big for the plates.
Oh, oh, it smells good.
I know.
It smells like something.
Like dandelion pancakes.
Yeah.
Look at that.
You know we're gonna like it with those servings.
Thank you.
You know, yeah. You're right. Who wants the spatula?
Oh, it's hot.
Yeah, just let it cool for a second till you can actually take a chunk, right?
Oh, I can
That's what
feel
I
the
would do.
oil.
You gotta try it like with a chunk of dandelion, not just the batter.
Oh, that's the plan.
Do it.
Okay, ready?
Yeah. Well, it's hard to describe the taste.
Yeah. Because it's not sweet.
No.
Like a pancake, it's
It's not really, is it?
It tastes like
Like-
cornbread.
like a cornbread, yeah.
That's good, right?
Mm-hmm. I
Yeah.
love it.
It's really good, actually. Oh.
That's good.
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I like this.
Dandelion pancakes. So, what do you think it tastes like then?
So if you take another piece, another taste,
Mm-hmm.
oh, I shouldn't eat it, but it tastes like pumpkin or squash.
Yeah.
And it gets you really inspired because it makes you wonder what else can you put this in with pumpkin recipes.
Right.
I think these would be really good in muffins.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
This is like a newfound thing.
I'm gonna
Cool.
try some experiment. I'm gonna make some recipes when I go home now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I knew you guys would like it.
Oh yeah.
Mhm. Thank you
Oh yeah.
so much.
Katrina is going to do the potatoes. Mosquitoes are irritating us already.
Already. A lot of larvae hatches, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It went from yesterday to today. Insane.
When you do this dinner, you never skimp, eh?
No.
Like, make enough.
Mm-hmm.
That's enough.
Gotta do a quality test.
Yeah. You could crack 2 eggs and mix them up. Make sure you use a stick because it tastes better.
Yeah, I'll find a stick.
But that spatula we had.
Oh, good idea.
Kind of appealing.
I've done this on other videos, as you remember, my grouse Parmesan. Did the chicken with my homegrown chickens. But I figured it's Katrina and Saphira's last night. Let's do it once more. So they get to see how to make it. They're already going to be making the dandelion pancakes.
Yeah.
They already said
Oh,
that.
yeah.
So.
Oh yeah.
Without a doubt. In fact, we're gonna be making other things as well. We're gonna be
Yeah.
experimenting a little bit.
Muffins, you said?
Yeah.
Katrina said she's going to try muffins with them.
I want to try a pie, like a pumpkin
pie?
pie, but like a
Oh.
dandelion pie. Yeah.
You know what? It's a great idea. I think we should all start living off dandelions. Dandelion is more nutritious than broccoli. Now, I'm bound to get one comment saying, you're wrong. But as far as I know, you know, it's hard to remember what vitamin every plant on the planet has. But yes, dandelion is probably the most nutritious wild plant you can ever find. And because we're kind of in this bush situation, we don't have a masher, so we're just going to use a can to mash our potatoes like I did on the other video.
That's cool.
Right.
Yeah, you just mash them in the pot with your can. People think, okay, you're in the bush, oh man, I got no plate, can't eat, I have no masher, can't mash potatoes. You find ways.
Yeah.
Remember one time, I didn't have a can opener and I didn't have a knife. I had a can of food, so I drove over it with the truck, put a plate underneath, and just squished it into the plate. So you improvise, right? I'll take that off you.
Yes. Oh.
And the first, move this. So basically, you just bread your chicken with the Ritz crackers.
How many are we supposed to do?
I don't know.
Oh, I do them all.
Okay.
Oh wow.
As long as, oh, now I'll get you that pot too. Boy, we've been eating good on this trip. Just no fish, you know. I really feel a little upset about that because I wanted to catch you guys a nice fish. But
Well, we were out there for what, 4 hours, 5 hours?
yeah, we spent some time and
Yeah.
fishing the way I usually do. But there was big bug hatches and they're just not hungry. So yeah, no, I was going to say, like when Zach and I did the 30-day challenge. I mean, it's kind of cool when you do a long challenge like that and you have a partner.
Yeah.
Because like at times he would be setting the bedding up, I'm making the fire, and everybody's kind of got a job. And it makes it so much easier. But mentally, it's easier.
Yeah.
When you're by yourself for a long time like that, it gets on you mentally too. You know, now it's nice having Finn, but if you're absolutely by yourself, the stress level mentally
Yeah.
goes up 10 times.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So,
Well, I don't know actually. I've never felt that. I couldn't imagine.
but you know what it's like to be lonely.
Yeah.
So now you're lonely. You have all these survival projects, and you have nobody to talk to. So you know what I mean? Except the camera.
Yeah. Right. I think it's like I've done videos in the mountains by myself, and I've doing videos with a person. I just feel like it just meets a different need. Like when you're alone, you can kind of choose to do whatever you want. I don't know. I actually prefer being with somebody, honestly.
Well, I kind of like
It's
the
hard.
solitude thing.
Yeah, actually.
It's good to test yourself, but there comes a time, because I spend so much time in the bush, that before I got Finn, there's times where you get so lonely, you almost feel sick to your stomach.
Yeah.
And it's hard for me to explain it, but it's just, you have this need that isn't being met, just to talk to somebody like we are.
Yeah.
You need a certain interaction with other people,
Yeah.
or you can actually, the old expression used to be cabin fever.
Yeah.
It becomes like a sickness that you can get, too much solitude. And I don't isolate like I mean, I do these kind of
Yeah.
things, and I go and see friends. I'm not out there to the point where I'm gonna lose it.
Yeah.
But yeah, you can go crazy.
Are you sure?
I'm pretty sure.
You seem pretty normal.
Pretty normal for a crazy guy.
You seem resilient, that's for sure.
You do learn resilience too.
Yeah.
And then there is times where you just want to be alone.
Yeah.
You know, everybody needs that too.
The long
Yeah.
time.
Well, that's for sure. Even if you have a partner, you just
Need a break from each
Yeah.
other or whatever. I get it.
sign of a true
almost-
wild woman.
Yeah.
Hands, the dirtier they get, the
If
better.
there's no charcoal on the hands or the nails, you're doing something wrong.
Well, I'm good.
This is Oven's Rocky Mountain Bushcraft, and you gotta get dirty.
Oh, exactly.
Yeah, it's too bad you don't have more time. I mean, I could tell you stories till the sun comes up.
Oh, yeah.
I believe that.
Not tell you half of them. but I've told some of them on the videos before. But
Yeah.
there's some funny ones too.
Yeah.
You know, some of the things that happen are just fluky, funny.
When the
whatever.
boat flipped on us?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we didn't even get video. That's one thing. We were taking the boat on the boardwalk because we came to the same lake I did, you know, in the last, not the last video, but second to last video. And it flipped right into the puddle. And with all our gear. But fortunately, we didn't have the video cameras and camera gear in there, but the batteries, the motor, the boat flipped upside down right in that big puddle. We didn't think that would happen.
No. It was really funny.
Well,
Well,
they were walking behind me. I was pulling the boat. and
we're
it
really
just
bad
slid right off.
spotters. Very
Yeah.
bad spotters.
Yeah.
We have some
Poor
things we
Greg.
still need to learn.
But you see, when things happen, you can't get mad.
No.
Life goes on.
Yeah.
Just-
Okay, so I got this pretty much ready. So next phase. It's getting there, eh?
normal.
Ow. Actually hurt my wrist doing
I'll just give you your gifts now.
Oh,
There
thank
go.
you.
And you get the bow drill from the last video.
Oh,
That started the
Awesome.
fire. Before you go, I'll show you how to use it.
okay.
But hang it on your wall. I mean, I spent a lot of time finding and building this bow drill too.
Yeah.
Wow, thank you so much.
Cool. Thanks for coming out.
Oh, yeah.
It's been wonderful.
It was fantastic.
Oh.
Oh, this is going to be good. Not quite as good as the veggie burgers. Just kidding there. Okay, that's almost getting too hot. Take it off for a second. Looking pretty good, eh?
Yep.
You're gonna like this dinner.
Oh, we will.
Did you get it?
No.
I'm just gonna show you something here. When you see that chattering,
Yeah.
you're getting chatters.
Okay.
That's a bad sign.
Okay, good to know.
Yeah, because you're gonna chip it.
Okay.
I gotta get rid of those now because that makes it way harder to use. Okay.
Okay.
Just rest your gift before we even leave.
Well,
you
no,
use it
like
for
you
me.
don't want to see chips like this.
Yeah.
That means you're doing something wrong.
Okay. Wow.
I'll just try to work them out. And the problem is when you start chattering like that,
Yeah.
they're going to get deeper and deeper, and you won't even be able to use it properly.
Oh. Okay.
Now, if you start to get this, you can take a file
And file it down.
and
I'll do
get
that.
rid of those
Yeah,
grooves.
I'll do
But
that. I can do that.
so basically, you're just going to want to like smooth. Ow, it's hot. But you can at home, if you get that again,
Well,
file it out.
okay, so
Just trying to see what you're doing wrong. You're kind of flicking your wrist. You want to hold
Okay.
it steady. Exactly. I think you need more of an angle.
like
Yeah.
this way.
This way, I believe. And instead of on this end, come up closer because you have more strength there.
Oh.
There you go. You got it right
Okay.
there.
There we go.
But yeah, you can always fix
I
that
will fix
chattering.
that. I have a file
You don't
down.
want that. There you go.
Okay, baby. Okay, they were the five. With like knives, so you know.
I was gonna.
Dump it out. No, buddy.
No, well, no, it's got to cook on the fire, but chicken's done too, right? So yeah.
Oh yeah. It's nice and moist and extremely flavorful.
It was good. Whoa.
I think it's the best meal probably of the trip so far.
Yeah. Can you pass me that knife?
I have 2 knives for your chicken if you wish. Don't worry, Fanny, you'll get some. Chicken Parmesan on the fire again.
Oh yeah. Oh. It's crazy what you can cook on the fire.
Yeah. But see, you got to try that recipe with grouse.
Yeah.
When you
Oh.
get some.
I don't doubt it's gonna be good.
Yeah. It's really good with grouse. Ladies are heading out now, so be by myself again. Okay, so we'll see you later.
Yeah.
Yes.
See you later.
Okay,
Thank you for everything.
you're welcome. Drive safe.
We will.
Good to meet you both.
It was nice to meet you too.
Yeah.
Thanks for coming out.
Yeah.
Thank
Here,
you.
give us a hug. Here,
Okay.
I've got to put the coffee down.
Hey, see you later.
Oh.
Good to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Take care.
Yeah. You too. Thanks.
All right, so till the next time.
Till the next time.
We'll see you.
So it's time to head back, and that's the end of this version of the adventure. If you want to check out Shafira Faith on YouTube and see her side of the journey, it'd be greatly appreciated. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Well, it's time to pack up and head home. It was fun getting the ladies out for the adventure. I need battery.